Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Google Gemini series. In today's video, we'll see how we can use apps directly in Google Gemini. So to use apps, first of all, we need to go to settings and then we have app section. Click on that and here are all apps we can use in Google Gemini. We have Gmail, Google Docs, Google Key, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and then we have Google Tasks. Below, we have some apps for traveling, Google Flights, Google Hotels, and Google Maps. And then if we go bottom of the page, we have YouTube and YouTube Music. YouTube Music is turned off. We can simply turn it on or off using this toggle button. Now, if we click on Learn More, using this button, we can actually see what Google Gemini can do for a specific app, but it cannot do. And in the below part of the page, we will also see some prompts to try. So in the Google Docs case, we can actually retrieve documents. We can actually summarize them. We can chat with our documents. But what we need to do is we need to call them with with their name or with their description or with their author name. And it can also give us questions, answers, information, anything related to that content, but only if we call it by if we mention it or if we call it with its name. It means we need to select the file through its name. We cannot randomly say anything. We cannot like say how many files are in there my Google Docs. It will not select any file. It will not give us any answer. But if we say how many files are there in my Google Drive related to a specific topic, and it will answer this question. It will tell us about that file. If it can simply provide us the information about that file. And then if you see below, it cannot delete or delete or create any file. It cannot process and large to respond to larger files, and it can also not access attachments, comments, or images assemble or combine with any of the docs file. Now let's try it with the Google Docs. Start a new chat. Before starting, please make sure that your Docs is connected with your Google account. I mean, you have been logged in to your Google, account. For to do that, you need to simply go to Google and now your Google account is connected with your Google Docs application. And here are some of my previous documents created in Google Docs. Now, if I say to select any app, you need to write add and then you need to select the app. Now it's connecting with Google Workspace and it has found a file. But as you can see, it has only found a single file which I had created recently, but it has missed all the other files available in my, in my Docs account. So it is not good at directly finding the files, but it is good at finding the files with name or with author or with maybe description. Now let me give you the another prompt. Again, it has found only one file, but let me show you it can also fetch other files if I select them by name or if I mention them, call them by their name. Now, in my Google Docs, there are two files which are related to AI Loan 1 and 2. Let's see if it can find them or not. Here you can see it has found them. First is named as AI News 2 and the second one is named as AI News First. It is also provided a short summary of both of the files, and it has also, you know, share the link to a file. If you click here, it will directly open the file. Now, if you want to explain anything in those files, it can do that. Now, it will fetch data again from the file and will explain it here. So this is how you can play, or you can, use your files directly in Google Gemini. You can use different apps including Urdu, Google Keeps, Calendar, or Google Drive. It cannot create or edit or delete files, but it can provide you the data information of those files directly in Gemini. That's it from today's video. We'll be meeting the next one. Goodbye.